Happy Friday, everyone. This week I had the opportunity to have a great dinner at a great restaurant in Boston, Legal Seafood. I sat at the bar right in front of a bartender. Now, this place was very busy this night, and this bartender was nonstop, pouring wine, fixing cocktails, and preparing food and drinks for everyone. And yet, as I sat in front of him and watched this guy be very busy, at no time did he ever lose contact with me. He constantly checked in on me, looked over his shoulder, maintained eye contact, made sure I had everything I needed. He kept the most important thing, even though he was very busy. So remember this weekend. As you go into one of the busiest weekends of the holiday season, you're going to be busy. Use that energy and use that busyness to your advantage. Customers love to see you busy and active, but never lose contact with the customer. Eye contact, touching base, telling them what you're going to be doing, keeping the most important thing the most important thing. You have a great weekend.